This video is to teach you how to get started with your assignments and readings for basic English. This is the left-hand navigation bar to which I frequently refer in emails and directions. So anything in here, you can go to meet your instructor to find my phone number and office hours, if it loads. Right, so in here you have the information that you need here. Your home page is basically where everything begins. This is the announcements section, and I encourage you each to always check to make sure there aren't any new announcements that you haven't seen, because I'm going to give you information if I have to change the live sessions like I did here. If I'll post lots of videos. You can see the first one here is how to create a discussion post, and it's really quite simple to view them. All you need to do is click on the link. It's going to take you to announcements. Right? Here's the video, how to create a discussion post. You just click on the link, and if you click on YouTube, it will make it bigger and much easier to see. So this is a pretty straightforward, a very straightforward process that makes finding information easier. So if you're confused and not sure where to begin, we go to Start Here. And Start Here, this is all the stuff that you're supposed to do within the first couple of days. And so the vast majority of this will be due on Wednesday by midnight. Your pre-test, your syllabus acknowledgement, your certification. And so then after you have completed this, you'll go to week 1. And in week 1, you can see all of what you will be required to do. Right? So you'll have, these are your readings. These are the things that need to be done. Right? This is from the Start Here menu, but it's still listed. And then as you slide down, you'll have your week 1 writing homework. This is part of the lecture. You're expected to read through this. This is about planning your introduction. It's part of the project that we'll be working on all term. This is your grammar quiz, some of the video lectures. This is the link to your creative blog. You can also get that on the left-hand navigation bar. It'll just say blog. Your discussions. If you click on this, you can ask questions, and I can answer them or your classmates. And then this is a link that will take you to the Kaiser Live session. Now, for some reason, the week 1 looks a little different than the others. So let's go to week 2 so you can see what they generally look like. Here we go. And everything's right here. Everything that you need to do. And so essentially, you just need to click through each of these and make sure that you have accomplished those. These are your assignments over here. Your homework, your grammar homework, your writing homework, and the creative blog. Here are the discussions. So you can see that all of these links are within the weeks folder. They're also over here. So you can go to the discussion boards. You can go to Kaiser Live. You can go to email. All of the syllabus, the student resources, everything is right here for you. And so you have several different ways to get there. I've also mentioned rubrics. So we're going to go here to the tools. And, oh, yours looks different. Here's a way to get to your grades. It displays information about your grades. You can go to your discussion board. Where are the rubrics? They should be here. Really, the idea is that you simply need to click around to figure out where everything is. And don't be scared, right? It's going to give you information about APA, about how to, where to find stuff, the program introduction. You're going to have lots and lots of tools, lots of things that you can do, and really just click around. You will sort this out. Your rubrics are in here somewhere. I just can't find them right this minute. And for that, I apologize. If anyone is in need of rubrics, please let me know, and I will create another video.